In this video, we're going to show you how to change the different air filters on the different Minis. Start by loosening the hose clamp holding the upper air hose to the air filter housing. The OEM Mini hose clamp uses a special tool to remove and reattach the hose clamp, but a flat blade screwdriver will suffice in removal. In our case, we simply replace the hose clamp with a traditional screw type. Next, pull the rubber hose off the upper air filter housing. Loosen the two mounting screws, green arrows, to gain access to the air filter underneath. Pull the jump start terminal up out of its holder on the side of the air filter housing and slide it off the finger on the outside. Keep in mind that the finger goes in between the two cables when you reinstall it. Remove the upper air filter housing and the air filter is right underneath. It's a good idea to wipe down the inside of the air filter housing to clean up any dirt or debris. You don't want to put a clean filter in a dirty housing. Note the tab on the upper air hose and the notch on the air filter housing, green arrows. When installed, the tab fits into the notch. The R50 Mini Cooper, the air filter housing on the non-S cars, is a little bit different. Loosen the hose clamp shown here, purple arrow. Take off the intake hose and also the two T25 Torx screws as indicated by the green arrows. Now lift the airbox cover up and off of the air filter housing. Shown here is the filter underneath the airbox cover. Now to the Mark II Mini Cooper. Shown here are the 4 screws, green arrows, and the 10mm bolt, purple arrow, that hold down the air filter cover on the Mark II Mini Cooper. Remove the screws and bolt, then lift the cover up. The filter element is directly below as shown here. Remove the filter, wipe down the inside of both the filter housing and the cover, and install the new filter. Shown here are the 4 screws that hold down the air filter cover on the Mini Cooper S Mark II, green arrows. Loosen these screws as well as the hose clamp, yellow arrow, and remove the electrical plug from the airflow meter by squeezing the tabs, purple arrow. Remove the filter cover and pull it out of the intake hose. You'll see the filter just below. Remove the filter, wipe down the inside of both the filter housing and the cover, and install the new filter. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.